is finally inking the much-awaited extradition treaty, Sakal.
But just to give you an overview, India and Thailand did confirm to the fact that India's Look East policy and Thailand's Look West policy is extremely crucial, extremely important to the development of relationship, the bilateral ties, strengthening of bilateral ties between India and Thailand, India's Look East policy and Thailand's Look West policy. Now, having said that, two sides held extensive deliberations on wide-ranging issues starting from economic cooperation. Well, that also happens to be one of the most important spaces between India and Thailand. The signing of extradition treaty between India and Thailand, which took us nearly 2 decades to get it through, but we can say that it's a big way forward in terms of India-Thailand relationship. Well, India has been really involved in hardcore negotiations with Thailand to get this treaty really signed. So also, if we look at the various legal if you look at the legal framework, the legal apparatus that this extradition treaty really provides, I was just going through it, it certainly provides a very firm counter-terrorism measure to India as well as Thailand to deal with the menace of not only terrorism but crimes, transnational crimes, economic offences, etc. Because this particular treaty provides a very sound legal framework to extradite fugitives, to also extradite persons wanted for trials, to extradite those involved in economic offences and transnational crimes, like I mentioned earlier.
Right, Sakal. Thanks for that update from Bangkok. So the big deliverable, the key highlight really of the visit is the extradition treaty that has been signed between the two countries after negotiations that ran over 20 years, no less. Moving on now.